warning sign for the trooper? Sounds like it to me. What's that guy got in the back of his truck? What that is?
Okay.
There ain't no way you can follow me to the scrapyard.
Not right now,
10 minutes to make it there.
I need your license now.
Okay, sorry about that.
That's good, bud. Where you head? You're heading to a scrapyard?
It's right.
412 South?
Yes.
I know who owns that.
Yeah.
So, you know the reason I stopped you? The tags are like way expired.
See, I wasn't 100% sure. It's my buddy's truck.
Okay, what's your buddy's name?
Ed.
Ed.
Macaulay.
Yeah.
It's out of Pocahontas.
How long have you been driving it?
Today's the first time I've been in maybe not an hour.
Okay. You got your, did you buy it, or are you just driving it from him, for him, or what?
I'm just taking a look at the scrapyard for him.
Okay. Do you know where the insurance is going to be? Because it's showing it don't have any.
I'm not going to be honest.
I got you.
He just bought it, I know, like, within 2 weeks.
Okay, and what was his name again?
Ed Macaulay.
Ed Macaulay. Okay. Have you seen at the scrapyard over here? Have you seen at the scrapyard? Yeah, I got you. Well, hang tight right here for me, okay? You're all valid.
Yeah.
Hang tight.
All right.
33 to 31, what's your 20?
Dispatch 03.
Good.
Needs to respond at 801 Southwest 4th Street, Golden Ridge, 801 Southwest 4th. Caller advises that a neighbor's pit bull in her yard. B27. Coming over there. She doesn't run over there.
4, go ahead. Call on 10-6.
Got a caller northbound around the, I said it's on the Red River Bridge. He said there looks like a baby rolled up in a blanket laying in the middle of the road. She's pulled over on the side of the road.
33 dispatch.
Go ahead.
You have any units close to Walnut Ridge, 67, 67B that aren't 10-6?
Negative.
Oh, there he goes. He's off.
33 Newport, 1037. Notify Randolph County. Dispatch, I'm 1037 in pursuit of a older model pickup, about a 90s model, black in color, heading into Randolph County. If you would notify them.
Newport B2.
Speeds right now about 87. Fixing to come up on County Road 436. Still northbound on 67. Fixing to be coming up on William Baptist. Traffic is medium.
See it, that's comments.
Gonna be felony 53, I believe. We got a Donovan, Missouri, a William Craig Bedford, 11-4-96.
Correct.
95 is about as fast as this truck will go, probably.
Speeds down around 90 to 100. Fixing to come up on the Randolph County line.
See it, that's comments.
If you can hand up the door, like the seatbelt, it's gonna work.
Temple. Will be 1086 trip stick. Be 33 Jonesboro.
833.
I'll be 1037, 67 north. Just crossed over the county line.
Yes, Lord.
That's comments.
John, do you have anybody up north? Up that way?
Trooper has so much more power in that truck.
833, 1037, 67 north. Come in black, Nissan.
It's gonna be a pickup.
Bad move, dude, on the other side of the road. Bad move. He's flying over there.
What's the reason for the pursuit? Just a
He's gonna be felony 53. He took off on me. Right now he's driving down the north direction, southbound shoulder of 67. I can't get over there.
He's doing 90 miles an hour on the other side. Stupid maneuver.
Rolling about 85, 90. Still northbound on the southbound shoulder.
There's no one on the shoulder. What's the traffic like coming out?
Ooh, he's gonna lose it. Oh, he's gonna lose it.
Wrecked out.
Ooh! Telephone pole wiped out.
48 to dispatch, what's the last known location?
I think I saw what happened. A car was moving into that side lane and the guy had to avoid. Ooh, language. Forgot language. Watch out, guys. Motherfucker! Oh, ooh, language. We're going to turn this down a little bit. We're going to turn this down a little bit.
Get down. You better get down and get right on your tummy. You got lethal? Get the fuck down. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. That was fucking stupid, dude. God damn it, that hurts. I'm sorry.
You got another one?
I'm sorry.
You got another cuffs?
Sorry. Oh, God damn it.
He's hurt.
Give me that other hand right now.
Here.
Just, yeah, I'm good. 33 Jonesboro. If you would, go ahead and start 1016. Hi, I got an ambulance coming to check on you, okay, buddy?
I'm sorry.
Okay, hey, listen. Where are you hurting at? I imagine about everywhere, right?
My head, top of my head's fucking good.
Your hands?
No, my head.
Your head? I got an EMS unit coming, okay?
Is this the energy? Hey, Viv, is this Clay County or?
Hey, listen. Hey, I'm gonna read you your rights real quick, okay? So I'm gonna help you up in just a second. So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, they'll be presented to you at no cost to you. Do you understand that? You do? Okay. You want me to try to help you up on your side?
Is that you or him?
Thank him. Where at?
That's his book.
Yeah, it's gonna be him. You want me to help you roll you over on your side or something?
Gloves?
Or are you more comfortable right there?
Gloves. You got gloves?
Hey,
We're getting some gloves.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. What's the plan, man? Do you need to get up so you can breathe better, or do you want to stay there? Okay.
More comfortable there?
Recovery position's on your side. It's going to be uncomfortable, but you'll be able to breathe. Breathe a little bit better. Stay right there. If you need to, we can roll you up further, but we can't get you all the way up until the ambulance gets here. We ain't got nowhere to sit you. You got all the way up here. What'd you stop him at?
Over there, 67B. It was too thick. I didn't feel comfortable. I went up for it once, got too shallow, and backed off.
I mean, like, we just now got notified of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like, I'm like, he's a Highway 90. Why are we just now knowing this?
Yeah, no,
Yeah, we were. Last time I at least got to Eleanor Church before, you know.
Yeah, well, I told them. He's felony 53 out of Donovan.
Where at?
Donovan. Hey, man, so I've already read your rights and everything. Do you have anything illegal in your truck? Okay, well, is there anything that you know of that's illegal in the truck?
No, I'll tell you the only thing I got.
You don't have any weapons or anything, you know?
Man, I got my hoodie, my phone, my wallet in the front seat.
Okay.
It's mine. Fuck, man, top of my head.
No
Your
weapons
man's
or
hoodie's
anything
gonna be a
else?
weapon.
Nothing on me, bro.
Huh?
Nothing I'm aware of.
Okay.
I mean, I don't have none on me, no.
Nothing on you, because I'm going to have to give you a brief pat down. I want to make sure you don't have anything that's going to stick me, poke me, or anything like that, right? Okay. Can we help you roll you over a little bit?
Oh, no.
You still more comfortable there?
You breathing okay from right there?
We can roll you on your side.
Sit you up or at least roll you on the side because I know neck injury.
Hey, I'm going to roll you just a little bit on your side, okay? Sound all right? We can set you up.
Is anything hurt your neck or anything like that hurting you or anything?
My neck is the top of my head.
Sure.
Yeah. Goddamn.
Stop.
Sorry, man. I don't know what I was thinking.
Yeah, me either, but
Stupid.
it's over now.
I'm not sure. I can't remember what's in my pocket. I think a lighter or something.
Yeah, I felt something in there, but
It ain't nothing.
I know, but I'm just going to check, okay? I'm going to put your battery in there.
What is it?
It was a battery.
Oh, it's probably for the. I got a flashlight in the front seat too.
Is that why you're running? You knew you were wanted?
Yeah, I don't know why I'm running, honestly. I'm just fucking, I wasn't thinking.
You want to sit up
We can
some?
set you up, lean you up.
Or are you okay right there?
I don't know.
We'll just stay right. We got an ambulance coming and stuff. Your head's not bleeding or anything.
He said it's got a 2020 expiration. He said it belongs to a buddy, and he just drove it today. But
like that.
The only thing I could see was on his back. But
My head's fucking throbbing and starting to burn.
Yeah, other side over there, you got a gash in your head.
well, he's like I said, he's got. I think it's a Jefferson County parole, and then he's got some kind of robbery or something. Yeah, he had one in his hand when I came up on the stop. Yeah, he gave me his information. No, I was about to. I had another unit coming my way, and just about to do it, and that's when he took off. Still doing all right? Hey, he didn't hit anybody, did he?
No.
He just about did, but
I think all of it's holding.
okay. No, I got too shallow on one and backed off because it just was just a.
Five open lines, they appear to be dead.
Yeah.
Be on her.